present Harbor Attack. Let's give our actors and actresses one more big round of applause. Now, I was just going to go get the volunteers dried off. If you're a family member of one of the volunteers, just stay right where you are. We'll be returning your family members to you momentarily. And for everybody else, turn to your left, head down the ramp through the process.
I'm telling my name. I want to try to get your dog.
State-of-the-art editing facilities. Yeah, and huge elephants outside the costuming thing. But everything else needed to produce movies, television, and even live radio shows.